Welcome to Brain Vision.
This question can very easily solved by drawing the acceleration diagram or the vector diagram. This is AC and this is AB equals 2. Now we know that this angle is 75 degree, that angle is 20 degree, and this angle we have to find. Let's call this to be theta, and this angle is given by 20 degree. So we find that theta is 180 degree minus 20 degree and 105 degree equals 55 degree. Now we have AC over 20 degree sine of that equals AB, which is 2 divided by sine of 55 degree. From here we can find that AC is 0.83 millimeter per second squared. Now, when the motion is uniform in the x direction, we will have VC equals AC times T equals 0.83 times 10 equals 8.3 millimeter per second.